Hello guys, so this morning I just got a free $30 no deposit bonus account, as you can see right here on my screen. And in this video I'll be demonstrating to you how you can also get your own free $30 no deposit bonus. Now before you swipe up this video, I would like to apologize to some of you that have not been able to get your no deposit bonuses account and your profile account recently, that you have not been able to claim any one of it yet. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so I will make it up to you in this video, because before I start talking about how to get this free $30 no deposit bonus, I will be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to get your free $30 no deposit bonus. But before I do that, I want you to note this down. If you go ahead and claim this $30 no deposit bonus on your own, you will forfeit your chance of getting this bonus, and that is why we are making the video right now, so that you won't forfeit your chance of getting this bonus. Okay, so now watch the video carefully, listen to the terms and conditions for withdrawal, and you'll be able to get your own in this video. Okay, now if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share it with your friend, and make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, because if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you'll miss out on a lot of opportunities. This YouTube channel focuses on giving people free capital for them to start trading in 2026 without them having to drop a dime or without them having to spend a dime. So if you know that you are broke and you need the capital to start trading your Forex account in 2026, then this channel is for you. Okay, so as you can see right here on my screen, this is the interface and the broker that we are going to be receiving our $30 no deposit bonus from. So I'll be showing you how to get it and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to make withdrawal. Okay, and as you can see right here for yourself, this is the $30 no deposit bonus, and they said that we should claim it. But for those of you who don't know how to get to this interface showing up right here on my screen, I'll pin a link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. So once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Immediately you get to my Telegram channel, you will find a link that has a Prime X, that has a Prime X. So just click on the link. I'll help you pin the link in my Telegram channel together with my YouTube video link. So once you click on it, you'll be brought immediately to this interface. Now I want you to know that this free $30 no deposit bonus, nobody has ever heard about it. Not many people have heard about it. It has just dropped, I think yesterday. Yeah, it's dropped yesterday, and I have decided to come and show you guys how to get it, so that you can be the first person to make withdrawal out of it. Okay, so let's get to business. So once you click on the link in my Telegram channel and after you are being brought to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for us to scroll down. Let me discuss the terms and conditions with you guys. So as you can see right here, this is the terms and condition right here, the terms and conditions. So let's start. As you can see, the bonus eligibility is offer available to the newly registered account, which means that this offer is only available for the new client. So if this is not your first time on this platform, this account is not for you. And if this is your second time on this platform and you haven't verified your KYC yet, then you can be able to get this free $30 no deposit bonus. And as you can see, strictly one bonus per client. This is what I just explained. It is only meant for a particular client. This is a sign that we are not joking here. You are going to make a lot of money. So now the bonus rule, this is where you have to pay attention, because without complying with this bonus rule, you won't be able to make withdrawal. So let's start from the first one. The first one, the bonus balance is tradable and subject to loss. You can trade this account and you can also lose money. It depends on the strategy and the knowledge you have about trading. So the second one is that you must generate $100 profit to eligible for withdrawal. So you must trade it from 30 to 100. So the money you must make must be additional of $100. It will be $130, and this is not hard for you guys to do. Okay, and also going to the third one, a total trading volume of 10 standard lots must be completed. There is a way you can do there's a way you can achieve this 10 lot size and it will be easy for you to do. There is a way you can do that. So if you want it, just drop a comment in the comment section. All right, so make sure you trade 10 lot size, and the maximum payout is $100. So if you trade $130, you won't be able to withdraw $130. The amount you can withdraw is $100. Okay, so as you can see, the general rule, the bonus is valid for 30 days. So after 30 days, the bonus will be deactivated. Okay, if the target is not met within 30 days, the bonus will be removed and the account will be closed. So upon a successful withdrawal, the account will automatically be closed. Okay, so now let's go and look at how you can get your free $30 no deposit bonus without stressing yourself at all. So let's go. So before I start showing you the practical aspects, let me explain to you over here. Now if I show you the benefit of showing you the practical aspect is so that you won't make mistake and forfeit your chance of getting this account. So I will be explaining to you how this account works. So if you don't watch this video to the very end and you forfeit your chance of getting this bonus, please don't come to the comment section and start talking anyhow. I won't allow that. Okay, so now as you can see, the first step on how to get this free $30 no deposit bonus is for you to register and verify. If you don't verify your account, there is no way you can be able to get your free $30 no deposit bonus. So sign up for a new account and verify your profile to unlock your gift. So this $30 is a gift. So this is it. The second step is for you to get the bonus. The $30 welcome bonus will be credited to your account immediately upon verification. So after you verify your account, the $30 will be credited into your account immediately. So the next thing for you to do is for you to trade, complete 10 lots and reach $100 profit and claim it and trade it within 30 days. And as for the terms and conditions, I've already explained that. So now let me show you how to get this $30 no deposit bonus. So are you ready? Okay, so click on claim your $30 no deposit bonus. Click on it. Okay, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on it. So once you click on it, this is where you'll be brought to. You'll be brought to an interface like this. So this platform for easier access, you can just go to your Play Store, click on get it on Play Store, click on download on Apple Store. Okay, so for easy access, just click on it and download the app and log in as a normal platform, as a normal application. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is for you to sign up. You can sign up by entering your first name. Make sure that the name you are entering is equivalent to the name on your NIN or your ID card or your driver license. And this is why it is important for you to watch this video, because a lot of people who has already fast forwarded this video won't be able to get what I'm trying to say over here. So as you can see, once you enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your address and type your phone number. Enter your birthday, your country, your city and your preferred language. I'm just showing you this so that I can guide you and demonstrate how you can get your $30 no deposit bonus, just like I have gotten mine already. And the reason why you haven't seen mine or seen me entering anyone is because it is only available for one client, so I can't get it again. So now once you are done, just click on continue. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. Now that we are done, it will take you to the next place whereby you have to verify your email, and the link for you to be able to verify your email has been sent to your email account. All you have to do is to go there and click on the link or copy the code and paste it here. Okay, so that is it. So now let's proceed. And before I forget, this account is available for every country. Okay, so now let's head on to our email. Without wasting too much of our time. Okay, so as you can see right here on my screen, I'm making a demonstration of going to my email. I'm making a demonstration already. So click on your email account, and once you click on your email account, you'll see what's going to happen next. Okay, so if you can't find your message, if you can't find the message or the code, all you have to do is to go to your spam on your email account. Okay, so as you can see, this is my pin right here. So the next thing for you to do is to copy your pin, paste your pin right here, and once you paste it, click on verify code. So as you can see, the code has been verified. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on login. Okay, so once you click on login, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your email, your registered email and your registered password. Click on remember me for better and faster login next time. So once you're done, just click on login. Okay, and as you can see, this is their chat. You can just ask them whether to confirm whether the $30 no deposit bonus is still available. Just click on chat now, but I'm very sure that it is still available because I have gotten mine already. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your account. And don't forget, immediately you finish verifying your account, you will receive the $30 no deposit bonus automatically. Okay, you will receive it automatically. But before I go, let me show you some things before I go. Okay, let me show you some things before I go. So in order for you to verify your account, your profile, the next thing for you to do is for you to click here. So once you click here, it's gonna bring you to somewhere like this. And as you can see, your profile is not yet verified, so click on verify now. Make sure you focus. Don't forfeit your chance of getting this bonus. It is very dangerous. Okay, so wait for it to load. Once you click on it, you will also be brought back here. So just click on verify now. I don't know what's wrong with them. It's supposed to bring out something exactly. So wait for it to load. Okay, it's supposed to bring out something right here. So this is it. So once you click on, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on continue. So once you click on continue, click on agree and click on, as you can see, there are 2 steps that you have to follow in order for you to get your account verified. Number 1 is for you to perform a liveness check, and the number 2 is for you to provide your identity document. This can either be your NIN, your NIN or your driver license, and so on. So click on start verification. So many of you already know how to go about this particular area. Alright, so there is no need in explaining for you. There is no need for explanation. So once you click on it, and a code will be sent to your email just like they did the other time. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to your email. So let's go back to our email. So once you get to your email, the next thing you want to do is for you to copy the code. Okay, so let's copy the code immediately. So once you copy the code, just come to this place, paste the code, and once you paste the code, it's going to take you to this place. Click on create my account. As you can see, some sub ID created, so just click on continue verification. A lot of people think that they know this automatically, but it is not known, or it cannot be known automatically. Okay, it cannot be known automatically. You have to understand that you have to go through this process. So this is where you'll be checking your, this is where you'll be verifying your account. Okay, this is where you'll be verifying your account by doing a liveness check. Right, by doing a liveness check. So just take a picture of yourself. All right, take a picture, and once your account is being verified, don't forget you will receive your no deposit bonus, your $30 no deposit bonus immediately. Okay, you will receive it immediately. And if you can't find it, let me know in the comment section. And if for better information or for better understanding, let me show you what to do if you can't find it. Just come down to this place where you see the logo of X. As you can see, there is a logo down here. Let me swipe it. Let's leave this place. Okay, so as you can see, this logo, this X logo, just click on it, and once you click on it, you're gonna be taken to this place. Just click on let's chat and submit what you want to submit. Choose your language, click on start chat, and once you click on it, tell them what's wrong. Copy your ID, let me show you where your ID is. You copy your account ID. You copy your account ID and let them know that you have not been funded yet. So this is your client ID right here. Let me copy it let me try to copy it so that you can see. So this is your account ID here. Just copy it and paste it there for them that you are done verifying your account and that you've done all that is supposed to be done, and you haven't yet received your $30 no deposit bonus. They will message you and get back to you immediately, and you'll get your free $30 no deposit bonus. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and if you need any more information, make sure that you like this video before coming to me so that we all can grow together. Right? I love you guys. There is nothing you can do about it. Ciao ciao.